Today we have a super easy and a super fun project. We're building a little bag rack to hold these reusable bags so when you go out the door you don't forget them. Choose some Tassie oak or pine, then some basic hand tools like a square, handsaw, tape measure and pencil, drills, screws, some liquid nails, some sandpaper, and of course your safety gear. To make things quicker, make sure you get your hardware store to cut your timber. So this is 190 by 900. This piece here is 900 by 90. And this piece here is 90 by 450. And I've also got a length of dowel that I'll use the handsaw to cut up for the bag hooks. Choose your backing board piece, then flip it over to the bad side. Then we're going to set our shelf height so we can pre-drill holes through the back to hold the shelf. So a little mark there, centre of the shelf, another mark on the other side. Now that I've drawn a centre line for the shelf that goes right down the timber, I'm going to mark intervals of where the screws are going to be pre-drilled through the board so they don't split the timber when I'm screwing into the shelf. Flip the shelf on its back, and after you've glued it, pin it at each end with a pre-drilled hole and a screw, and that'll hold it in place so you can pre-drill all the middle ones and put the screws in. So we've completed the main part of the shelf. Now we're going to focus on the top part, and this is going to house all the reusable bags. So we're going to sit it in place there, pre-drill, glue and screw it in place, and that part's done. So I'm going to fix the dowel through this timber, and it's going to act like little coat hooks or pegs for all our reusable bags. So I'm thinking about 70 millimeters overall, and that should do the trick. The shelf is done. That took about 20 minutes. Now we're going to give it a light sand and a wax coating.
This is how we like to fold the bags so they sit nicely on the shelf. The first step is to hide the straps, fold the bag into thirds and thirds again, find the pocket and tuck the opposite side into the pocket for the perfect parcel.